Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, just a disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, and while I do try to weed out all the scams, I always say do your own research, and also know outside of what is listed in the job description, I do not have any additional information, but this job page is linked in the YouTube description box if you're interested in getting that application in. Today's job lead is from the company Zimmer Biomet. They are hiring a customer service representative. Now, they are hiring throughout the United States, and this is a remote work from home job, but they do want somebody who can work the hours of 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you are going to have to convert your time zone to those hours to see if that works for you. They do have it listed for the Eastern time zone. That would be 12 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. But they are looking for someone to be responsible for processing orders, quotations, returns, credits, invoices, and other shipping documents. Your primary responsibility is going to be for the order to cash cycle. You'll answer customer inquiries and provide information to internal and external customers. Your job duties will not just be answering the phones. It's going to be a combination of answering the phones, purchase order processing, email correspondence, and other system-driven activities. So it says primary responsibilities would be to field the customers, ensuring that their orders are placed and that they have case support and associated transactions are completed in a timely manner. Of course, you'll respond to all the support inquiries that come through call, text, email, or system-driven. You'll coordinate billing with the customers. You'll answer product and pricing inquiries, and you'll process emergency orders. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do prefer somebody who has 1 year of prior customer service experience. They want somebody who can communicate clearly, both verbally and written in English, someone who can maintain positive relationships, and someone who can consistently show energy, drive, and accountability. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, they are paying anywhere from $16 to $21 an hour. All right, sharing is always caring, so if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.